When there are many pages in the presentation file, we can use the section feature to quickly help us organize slides with a clear and well-understood framework and improve our work efficiency. So how can we use this feature? Take this slide as an example. We need to add section in the place of Part 1 on the third slide. Select the third slide. Click the Home tab and the Section drop-down button. Finally, click Add Section. At this point, we can see that a new section has been added starting from the third slide at the thumbnail Slides on the left. The first and the second slide belong to the first section, and the third to 18th slides belong to the second section. If we want to rename each section, select the section that needs to be renamed and click the Section button. Finally, click Rename Section. In the pop-up dialog, enter the new name and click Rename. Repeat the above steps to complete the grouping and classifications of presentation documents. It looks more organized this way. In addition, we can also click the Section drop-down button and click Remove Section or Remove All Section to quickly delete the added sections with one click. After using the Section function to organize slides, we can also click Expand All to expand each section with one click in order to view the slides conveniently. Similarly, click Collapse All to quickly collapse all sections. What a practical feature! Did you get it?